Hey Lex, where are you going? Come back. You can speak very good English, we know that. Can you help me out here, please? He's running away. Alright, but... Hey.
Dat zie ik je niet.
I'm a gangster, don't do that.
Beter.
Alright. So, we got another episode here, and we are gonna do coilovers. And we are on the ground. The car looks good. It's not straight but crooked. The rear needs... I tested this car out 1 week, 2 weeks ago. We went drifting on Mexico on the streets, and the car was doing fine. It was okay. The only thing was that it is bouncy as hell. It is really bouncy, and because of that it's generating so much grip that I needed to clutch kick while this car has 170 horsepower. So that's not how it's normally gonna go. So, but that's because the original coilovers, and it's really bouncy, so it's when you are going on throttle it's squatting instead of spinning the wheels. And because of that we went really fast for searching for a coilover. That was not on my plan for right now, but it was driving so annoying. So we got a EP Racing, I think it's called. It is like not of the top tier, but it is really high end. It's like in the middle, above the middle. This is a second hand. We paid 125 euros, but that's because it's missing the top mounts. Okay, the steps for the rear is really simple. You need to lose this bolt. It's a 18. Before doing that, make sure that you have a jack underneath it somewhere here, because when you lose that bolt, the spring is putting pressure, it's compressing the arm, so it will fly. It will go really hard to the bottom. So put a jack under it so you won't hurt yourself. And after losing this bolt, you can just take this out. You need maybe a pry bar or something to put it under. Somebody needs to stand on here or press it, because if you have original, then it's compressing too much, so it's under load. You're not gonna get it off. So somebody is stepping here, the other person is pulling this out of pry barring from underside it, from the under it. And after you loosen this up and then you got this out, you go to the rear. You need to pull some things, the isolation, and right here you have two bolts. They are 13s, one here and one is here. I don't know if you can see it, but on the rear, and just untie the two 13s and then you have it out. As simple as that.
I got nightmares in my head, I fear that the thoughts build up until I can't hear, that my mind fills up into a creature, and it haunts me somewhere much deeper. Anxiety, filling up every space, no privacy, and silently, it could build and build until you finally see, whoa, it's taking over, damn no closure, moving closer, no exposure.
Because you didn't get the top mounts, I'm gonna swap this. I'm gonna show you real quick how you need to do it. Well, here's a knot. Then you can take this off, and don't forget to take this one off. Are you scared? Yes, you are. So, going first. And then it's the top mount, and then the other head on the bottom, on the top, and then of course the bolt, and then just tighten it up. I think this set there was something on the top, but it's broken or something. So what I need to do is to hold it with something else. I'll show you in a second. Oh my god, wat een mooi keukentje. Kijk hoeveel. Hallo. Oh my god, oké. Ja, ze werd boos. But uitkijken. This side is turning and this side is turning. So she's holding that and I'm holding this. This is done. Now first what you're gonna do is the coilover. I'm gonna put this on the lowest setting because you want to go low. So next I'm just gonna put it in. I'm doing the underside first because I think that's easier for now. That's it. That's it. Now we are gonna do we're gonna put it through there, and I'm gonna tighten it from where I loosened it in my hand. Alright, we are now doing the front. As again, the front ones don't have top mount, so we need to put that on as well. But first, there are some annoying other things that you need to do. Oh, it's really dark here. Hold on. You need to remember how to put this bracket back, because the bracket is loose on the bolt. So when you loosen the bolt, the bracket will come loose with it. You need to lose the stability control bar, or what it's called, and after that, yeah, I'll show you after that what you need to do. Okay, there's the bolt, and this is loose right here. Now, next thing what you need to do is loose the 18mm right here. I have this handy thing, it's one of those, and I'm just hammering it. Oh yeah, this is where you need to put it through. That's it. By the way, we used WD-40. Alright, and now it's only just these 313 bolts, and then you can drop the whole thing. Ta-da! Now we are gonna change the top mounts. I need some parts of this on this. I hope that you don't need to do this, because this is annoying and this is not how normally it goes, but this is second hand, so I didn't get all the parts which I should have gotten. So I'm right now compressing it. That's it. It's so long. This is the original one. But yeah, now we need to put these things on the other one. Let's go. It was like this. This needs to go in the middle. This can come out. It was like this, remember? Okay. Next. Put it back. Put a jack under it. So my jack is going sometimes stupid, so I just put something under it to extend it. And then you just need to line this out. Watch this round thing, it's for alignment. This thing needs to always come here, not here, not here. You know, if this is not here, then it's probably pressing against here or here, so it needs to be here. Don't forget that. Now just put it on and that's it. Don't forget to put everything back how it was. This and the other one, the brake line and the sensor. Alright, so this is another day. Last time I didn't put the control bar back because with coilovers the height of the place where it mounts is different. You need a shorter version of these end links. And my girl, she has a BC Racing on her E46, and she got this with BC Racing. The only thing is that they were not the right ones for her. She has a E36 and I think this is a for E46. We measured it last time and this one is pretty close to what this car needs, and because we bought it second hand, the EP4 Racing coilovers, we didn't get these parts, so this is a fancy piece that is, we are gonna try to see if it's gonna work or not with the EP4 Racing. But yeah, just simple. So it has a probably right there, it's a 17. It's sometimes 16, the other side it was 16, this side is 17. You just hold it in place right here. Just those two dimples. The other one. When they are brand new, they don't want to move, so it's wise to move it once or twice before you put it on, because when you are putting it on the car, you need to probably move this around, and when it's that tight, it's not gonna move around, so that's why. Right. All right. I'm gonna take the wheel off on the other side and then we are gonna try to see if it's gonna fit. The end link and the control bar is back, and we put it wheels of my drift car on it, of the Turbo E36. Is het open? Dat is mooi. Dan kan ik even hierop gewoon aanpassen.
3 vingers.
Ja, so the rear, I'm pretty happy with it. It only needs spacers because it's not not happy with the fitment right now. The front was the fitment is good with these wheels, but it needed to go lower, and I just adjust it right here, and you can just turn it and then it will go. The end links are in place, looks good. Now we are gonna put the wheels back because I lowered it, like I said, and we are gonna see how it's gonna look. And we are on the ground. The car looks good. It's a different car from when we bought it. It is like one finger gap. Not even my finger needs to be a little bit not straight but crooked. The rear needs spacers, like 30mm spacer, because this is really wide. Didn't expect that, but looking kinda hot boy. I'm happy with it. And I'm gonna leave it like this until the future, when we see what we are gonna do with it. We have Insignia Opel wheels that needs to be widened, but yeah, I need to find somebody company who is doing that, widening the wheels, and then we will go probably a little bit wider on the rear, like Tenjai or something, and then very low ET, maybe 0 or something. Then it will fill the gap. Then we don't need to buy spacers, then we are good. But the front is good as well. I think that's fine. Next thing that is left is to test this car out. So I'll see you probably guys on the next episode on doing some dumb shit. By the way, we were gonna say everything what cost us, and I already did say it, what the EP racing coilovers cost us, but not those wheels. Those wheels are free because it's mine. So this doesn't count.
The
Alright.
Insignia wheels.
What?
The Insignia wheels.
Oh, the Insignia wheels, yeah, but that's not the final cost. When we have the final cost of the Insignia wheels, then we tell it. But that's not something that you need, so I don't know. It is for looking good, not for doing its job. You don't need that to drift. That doesn't fit the, I don't know, the budget drift car thing. That's just, I want some nice wheels. Yeah. Alright. I'll see you guys next time. Goodbye.